Hello everyone, welcome back. Learn SQL in 30 days from beginner to pro, day 4. Today in this video, I am going to discuss SQL giants with real-time interview questions and practicals. In this video, I will explain inner join, left join, right join, floater join, self join, cross join, natural join with different data. The best way to learn SQL effectively is that you need to understand SQL giants, how they work. Create a different test data. You can write it down your output once you analyze the data. Run SQL giants on top of test data, see the output. Compare your actual result and what you expected and if they match, you are doing them. If not, go back, review and try again until it works correctly. What is giants different types? Inner giant. It's like matching records from giant table. Left join is a combination of inner join and unmatched records from the left table. Right join, inner join plus unmatched records from the right table. Floater join is a combination of inner, left and right join. Means matching records and unmatched records from the both tables. Natural join is the type of join that provide all the column name with same name and compatible data types from the joining table. Self-join, retrieve related data within the same table, means employee and their manager information. A join, the table join itself is a self-join. Cross-join is combining every row from the first table is every row in the second table. Look at the example here. AB is the first table and CD is the second table. A is matching with C and D, again B matching with C and D. So that is called cross-join. Now we will see some examples before going to execute the SQL giants, how the test data look like. I have created all the interview questions with the different test data, like from J1 to J61 is table name, and the data look like this. If you observe here, the J1 have only data like this, and the set 2 data has, every table has one null value. Set 3 is 2 null values. For J3 is only 1 null value. Set 4, 2 null values. Set 5 is a little bit different. If you look at the data here, the small a is there in the first table, second table is a small a and capital A. Normally, if you, while pronunciation, you can say AA, but technically it is both are not same. I will show you how it is different. Set 6, there is no matching records from the both tables. To test natural join, I have created data like this. So the fundamental is natural join. Table should have same column name, same data type. N1 ID data numerical and N11 ID column data is numerical. So to test different negative validation, N21 having ID is same column name but different data. This is text, here is a numerical. One more test we need to natural join. N21 column name is different but the data type is same. So how natural join is working different data. So all this data, once you created your own test data, apply all the joins top of this data, your expected output and your execution result matching, then you are good to learn SQL giants. Now let's do some practicals. I'm running my inner join J1 and JW1. So here I'm displaying only 90 plus. Why 90? Because are displayed. That's excellent. J1 is having 3 ones. JW1 is having only 1 ones. Means each record in the first table is checking with matching records. One record, one other 2 records, third one, and A1, 3 records. The first table 2 seconds, and the third table 2 is 3 times. Means 2 into 3, 6 records. Total 9 records displayed. So here also 9 records. But here is null there. But null is not equal to null. That's why this null is not displayed. Just by having the small a and the capital A data, right? So here displaying only small a, capital A. But small a is not equal to capital A. Why? Because I will show you. If you look at here data, small a ASCII value 97, capital A ASCII value 65. So that's why it is not matching. If I apply the upper function on top of this data, all the ASCII values are same. So this is the difference. That's why data of small a is not equal to capital A. Now left join. Earlier, AP joining is showing 9 records. 3 record is from left table, unmatched records in the second table. That's why 10 records is displayed. So for your practice, you just apply these joins on top of this data. You will understand easily. Right join. So matching records from both table, unmatched records from the right table. 4 is not matching the left table here. 4 is not matching. Now we can execute this query one by one. Null is not same and 4 unmatched records. From matching unmatched data. So A is not equal to small capital A. We'll join matching records, unmatched records from here to matching unmatched both table. This is matching table, matching data, unmatched records. J661, there is no matching data. So that's why it is saying null value opposite. Remember, whenever interviewer asking that, can you write an output using these joins, you have to mention that both column name from the tables and the opposite value should be null. So natural join, we discussed that both tables should have same column name and the same data type. Now N1 and N11 having same column name, same data type. Okay. ID and name is coming in the N1 table. Again, ID, name, salary is coming in the N11. But here only one column name displayed. Why? Because natural join is taking only one column. Only matching records. Like this. Here N12 is column name is different but same data type. If I apply natural join, it will act as a call join. Why? Because a column name is different. So that's why each record is matching with a second table. N21 is column name is same, different data type. So invalid number error is showing. Cross join, each record in the first table mapped with each record in the second table. M into N is Cartesian product. So we can say more records. This cross join is used to create a different test data in the real-time project. Self-join is very important to define employee and their manager information. And there are different scenarios that I will explain in the next video, different interview questions. To understand self-join, a table join again same table. Here I am taking employee and join with the same table. But the condition is the first table manager name equal to second table employee number. It means every manager is employee, right? So that's one. In the select statement, employee information and the second table from manager information. If I run this code here, data look like this. Look at here, employee number 7369, name is and manager is 7902. 7902 employee name is 4. So this manager is 7902, manager name is 4. So this is how self-join is working. If you want to practice more data, you need to prepare your own test data once you understand SQL concepts, SQL join concepts. Then only you can learn SQL join the best way. There is no alternative method. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel to get more real-time scenarios like this. Thank you for